Hey guys, today's question is in Young's double slit experiment, the two coherent sources have different intensities. If the ratio of maximum intensity to the minimum intensity in the interference pattern produces is 25:1, what was the ratio of intensities of the two sources? And the options are given. So let us find out the answer. Now we know that Imax upon Imin is equal to A1 plus A2 bracket square upon A1 minus A2 bracket square. The value of this is given, that is 25:1. Taking square root on both sides, we'll get A1 plus A2 upon A1 minus A2 is equal to 5 upon 1. Therefore A1 is equal to 3 and A2 is equal to 2. Now as we know, intensity is directly proportional to the square of amplitude, that is I1 is equal to A1 square, that is equal to 9, and I2 is equal to 4. Therefore, I1 upon I2 is equal to 9 upon 4. So correct answer is option D, 9:4. Thank you very much.